changing the ramp.
Yeah.
Next comes high tide.
Yeah.
In the lobbies of these hotels, the food comes out. Basically, they try to make it better for you so that you, even though you've lost a day in the park, and unfortunately that's the case. That's the way it is. Sometimes they have this situation, hurricane season. They're very good at catering to their customers.
We are fortunate enough to have the Clark Howard Show here on News 96.5 WDBO every night, and Clark always recommends the same thing you do about buying travel insurance. And now a hurricane is I don't know how they term it. It's an act of nature or an unpredictable thing, right? So do a lot of these travel insurance packages cover something like that?
Absolutely, they do. That happens. A lot of them, in fact, 90% of them, probably 95% of them, will do that. Whenever you take out travel
There's the
insurance,
tree.
it covers other things. And in
Which
this
tree?
particular
Right
case,
in front of you.
Oh,
will
crap.
cover that situation.
That's as far as you
It's
go.
very, very important to do that. Even if you're taking a short trip, you really want to go ahead and do that because you never know what's going to happen. And it's your vacation. It's your vacation. It's making memories.
Alright,
You don't want
can't
it to
go
start
any
out
further than that.
Water
being
down
stuck
the
in a
hall.
hotel somewhere waiting for the electricity to come back on again. So the biggest problem you have with hurricanes really is that if you're trying to fly from one location to another, and this of course happened just yesterday at Campy Hill, but safety is always the first concern of the airline, and it should be the concern for anyone who's trying to fly. So even though it might be a little bit hassle, I always say as a pilot myself, you want to think safety first.
Now, when I introduced you, Pete, I kind of glazed over a lot of things because your resume is way too long to list it all. But you're on Fox, you're on Bloomberg, you're on CNN, you've written books, you have a column in the Wall Street Journal. But your real specialty, I guess, is roller coasters. And just very quickly, because I have to let you go. As far as your research shows, what are the favorite roller coasters or the most favorite roller coaster in the entire country?
Well, I have a lot of places I can think of. Obviously, Orlando is a destination location. You've got some great rides there that I absolutely love. Even the older rides like Space Mountain still do something for me. Manta over at SeaWorld and Rip Ride, Rip Ride Rocket over at Universal Studios. And of course,
Okay, Jackie and Chris, this is for you. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but we can see clear through to your pool. Well, I guess you can't see it too good. Anyway, no more fence.